starting a batch of homemade cough syrup. Just a bunch of cut up onions, put in some honey. Gonna ahead and let that just sit there as the onion juice seeps out into the honey. Once that's all done, I'll leave it for a few days, probably a week or so. Then I will strain it, and the juice from the onions will stay in the honey, and that is a wonderful, wonderful do-it-yourself cough syrup for you and your family.